Good morning, children. This is Pushpalata ma'am. Today we are going to learn subject Maths Class 2 Chapter 5 Money. Word problems I will teach you, children. Okay, children, let's start. Word problems. Cost of some objects is given below. Some objects cost given below. Here see, children. Truck cost 12 rupees. Guitar cost 19 rupees. Cap cost 15 rupees. Vase cost 62 rupees. Bag cost 88 rupees. Bread cost 5 rupees 5. I told you no, this is rupees symbol. Chair cost 57 rupees. Jam bottle cost 27 rupees. Pencil box cost 26 rupees. Soap cost rupees 9. You have to find cost of some objects given. Find out the money spent and money left for each. Here word problems are there, children. Here cost of some objects is given below. Cost of objects here. So what we have to do? Find out the money spent and money left for each. Here is the first sum, children. Kitty and her mother went shopping. Kitty and her mother, they both went for shopping. They had rupees 100. They had how much, children? Rupees 100. This is rupees symbol, children. Rupees 100 they had. They bought a toy truck and school bag and a school bag. Understood, children? Kitty and her mother went for shopping. They had rupees 100. Only 100 rupees they had, children. They bought a toy truck and a school bag. Toy truck, see, children. Toy truck, where is the toy truck? Here is the toy truck. How much, children? Rupees 12. And what else they bought, children? They bought school bag. School bag how much, children? 88 rupees. Only toy truck and school bag they bought. How much they had total money? 100 rupees. So what you have to find out? How much money spent for toy truck and bag, and they had only 100 rupees. How much money left with them? We have to find out. Understood, children? Now money spent. What they bought, children? They bought a toy truck. Truck cost how much? Here 12. Rupees 12. So write rupees 12. And a bag, school bag. School bag cost how much, children? 88 rupees. Now total cost how much they spent? Money spent we have to do. Total means what we have to do? Addition we have to do. This is addition symbol. Okay, children. Truck cost 12 rupees. Bag cost 88 rupees. Total cost how much we have to find out? Addition. You know addition, no, children? 2 in the mind, 8 in the hand. Take 8 fingers, children. 2 after. Close the finger, each finger. 8 fingers you open, no? Now close each one. 2 after. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 0 you should write here and carry on 110. Last class I explained additions, no, children, how to carry on. 10 is 10 you got answer. In that first ones place 0 you have to write, carry on 110. 1 in the mind, 1 in the hand. 1 after 2. Now 2 in the mind, 8 in the hand. Take 8 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 you write here. So how much they spent? Rupees 100 they spent. They had only rupees 100, they spent rupees 100. Now we have to find out money left also. Money left, they had how much? 100. So rupees 100 you will write. Money spent how much? Rupees 100. So minus rupees 100. Left means always you have to do subtraction, children. The word problems, how much money left, if they ask, left means you have to do subtraction. Okay, children. Now 100 minus 100. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. If you subtract same number, you will get 0. 100 minus 100, how much, children? 0. So money left with them, 0. Nothing is there. Understood, children? Come to the next sum. Renu had rupees 76. Renu had how much, children? Rupees 76. What she bought? She bought a cap and a soap. See, children, cap cost how much, children? Here in the picture, see, children, cap cost rupees 15. And what they bought? A cap and a soap. Soap cost how much, see, children? Rupees 9. Okay, children, Renu had a rupees 76. She bought a cap and a soap. Now, how much she spent? What we have to do? Addition we have to do. Money spent, cap, how much? Rupees 15. Soap, how much? Rupees 9. Now, what you have to, money spent means what you have to do? You should add the cap amount and soap amount. 15 rupees 15 and rupees 9. Okay, how to add, you know, no, children? 5 in the mind, 9 in the hand. Take 9 fingers, children. Now, what is there in your mind? 5. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, what you have to do? 4 you have to write here. Carry on 1. 1 in the mind, 1 in the hand. 1 after 2. 2. Here nothing is there, so 2 you have to write. Rupees 24. Only they spent rupees 24. But they had how much? Rupees 76. So, what money left with them? Money left. How much they had? Renu had 76 rupees. Rupees 76 you will write here. And money spent how much? Car and soap they bought, no? Money spent 24. You add both, no, cap cost and soap cost. What you got? 24. The 24 you will write here. Money had 76, they spent 24. Now if you do minus subtraction, you will get how much money left with them. 76 minus 24. 6 in the mind. Subtraction how you will do? Last class I explained. Before number you have to count. Okay. 6 in the mind, 4 in the hand. Take 4 fingers. 6 before, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now 2 you write here. Okay. 7 in the mind, 2 in the hand. Before number. Subtraction means before numbers you have to count. 7 before, 6, 5. You write 5 here. 52. How much money left, children? 52 rupees left with Renu. Understood, children? Now come to the third sum. Archana had rupees 36. How much she had? Only 36 rupees she had. She bought a bread and jam. Okay, children, what she brought? She brought bread and jam. See, children, in the picture, bread cost how much? Rupees 5. Jam cost how much? Rupees 27. She bought only bread and jam. She had only 36 rupees. So, bread and jam cost how much? We have to find out. Cost, total cost means what you have to do? Addition. Bread rupees 5, jam rupees 27. See, children, bread 5 rupees 5, jam 27. That amount only you will write here. So, bread cost how much? 5 rupees. Jam cost how much? 27 rupees. We have to add the bread cost and jam cost. Now, 5 rupees 27 we have to do addition. 5 in the mind, 7 in the hand. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then number 12, you have to write 2 here, can carry on 110. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 in the mind, 2 in the hand. 1 after, 2, 3. Now how much children? Rupees 32. How much she spent children? Rupees 32. Okay children, rupees 32 she spent. Archana had how much? Rupees 36. Now how much money left means what we have to do? We have to subtract how much money she had, how much money she spent. Rupees 36 minus she spent 32 rupees minus 32. Okay children, 6 in the mind. Subtraction always you have to count before number. 6 in the mind, 2 in the hand. 6 before, 5, 4. You have to write 4 here. 4 here. Okay children. 3 minus 3. If you subtract same number you will get 0. 3 minus 3, 0. So rupees 4 left with Archana. Understood children? Practice these 3 word problems at home children. Here I am giving homework also assignment. Find out the money spent and money left for each. Jack had rupees 96. He bought vase and guitar. Vase cost given, guitar cost also here given. You have to add this one and you have to write here how much she had. 96 minus 81. You have to do subtraction, then money left you will get. Here addition to, here subtraction. Kamal had rupees 87. She bought a chair and a pencil box. Chair cost given, pencil box also given. You add this one, then you will get money spent and write here money. Kamal had 87 rupees and spent 83 rupees. If you do minus, then you will get money left. Okay children, we will meet you in next online class.